knowledge in Bengali digit. Many student. You are in West Bengal board, that's why you know. But many students in CBSE and ICSE board, they do not have the knowledge in Bengali digit. Okay.
Well, you cannot particularly
Let us say.
You cannot particularly target me, and if the student does not know Bengali digits, like if it is his or her mother language, then he or she is basically dumb. If he or she doesn't know his mother language, it is not a majority.
Yeah, it's majority. It is majority.
It is majority.
It's a majority.
And I deal with many students in
Say
CBSE and
something.
ICSE.
Bro, the student is like basically dumb if he or she doesn't know his mother language. English is completely a different language to us, so it is important for us to learn, and we cannot learn it just in 30 minutes.
Shagnik?
But we can learn it after in class 10, like after in class 11, all the schools became English medium, like West Bengal
English
schools.
version. Actually, English
English
version.
version.
After that, you studied all subject in English version.
Yeah, Ishika wants to say something.
Yeah, in some schools.
Like if you want an example, then
Wait.
Kunal sir is there. Like he read in Bengali medium school, but he can he is a very fluent. He can speak very fluently.
It is better to learn from the class 1.
It will stronger their base.
Yeah.
And if you go to another foreign country just for studies, or if you go to an interview, let's just take it as
They
an
will
example.
obviously talk in English,
They
not in
will
Bengali.
exactly. And
You
when
not
will
face,
you do it?
you didn't face in your early age, okay?
What?
You easily overcome it after sometimes.
What
But
can
some
I
students
overcome?
cannot even say a word in English.
Exactly. Bengali medium
Oh,
schools.
in Bengali medium school, no one say in English.
They don't
No one
talk in
can
English.
say.
They don't talk
They-
in English in
That's my
school.
point.
They don't talk in English in school. So how can we expect that?
But there are
they
many
talk in-
CBSE schools who students don't usually speak in English.
That's not the majority.
That is
That is
majority.
not the majority.
That is majority.
The
That
student-
happen in many schools.
The student can talk to each other in
You
Bengali.
speak
The
you speak
student-
English in your class.
Let me finish. The student can talk to each other in English, but they have to talk in English with the teachers and principal.
Rimpa, say something.
They don't say.
And do you think
Yes,
what
that
is
is your
important?
school's fault. In our school it happens, and it is the majority.
Yeah.
Rimpa, say something.
After 10th, as you saying that after 10th we can transfer into English version, but it was so difficult.
It is.
It is so difficult for us to accept to understand the
Transformation.
transformation
It-
or
See,
how,
it was
how teacher was learning in English. I suffered that I cannot understand what sir was saying in English. I suffered on it.
That's why English is
Well, English is just a language. We can learn it from. We can learn that language within just a year. That is.
And it is not impossible to
That is just a normal language.
Dude, if you learn it from an earlier age, then your concept will be clear, you will be fluent, you will have different kind of ideas about it. What's wrong in it?
For fluency, we have to
It will
like.
just motivate them to learn new languages. And even English school, কি বলে ওটাকে?
college.
না না না
Office.
না English school provides different kind of other language like French.
Rana, do you want to say something?
I think that when you talk about the English medium school, their teacher also
Because that is private school. That is the main thing.
What?
That is private
Private
school.
What did you say?
Majority of the English medium schools are private. That's the main thing.
And your school
And
does not
majority of
have
the
the
Bengali
type
medium
of
schools.
But
other school.
Yeah, like they took like
They
5,000.
take.
They take 5,000 rupees as their as
And this is
fee.
financial burden for
And they took 50,000 rupees as a
Well, if you
donation.
want to achieve something, if you want to learn something, you have to put efforts in it.
No.
Yes.
yeah.
And
Yes.
in,
No,
in,
they
uh,
are taking the